Channel partnerships are the backbone of many successful businesses. But motivating partners to actively push your products takes more than just commission. It takes the right kind of spiff. A well-structured spiff program not only drives sales but builds loyalty, enthusiasm, and long-term engagement among your channel partners. A spiff, or Sales Performance Incentive Fund, is a short-term reward designed to encourage specific behaviors, selling certain products, meeting targets, or closing deals faster. The best spiffs don't just throw money around, they align with business goals while giving partners a reason to stay excited about your brand. Cash incentives remain the most popular, but the real power lies in creativity and strategic alignment. For instance, product-based spiffs, like free tech gadgets or product upgrades, create emotional value. They remind your partners of your brand every time they use them. Travel rewards or fully paid experiences work even better when you're dealing with top-tier partners who crave recognition and exclusivity. Another strong option is tiered spiffs. Here, the more a partner sells, the bigger the reward. This encourages sustained effort rather than one-off spikes in performance. You can also run team-based spiffs, motivating entire partner teams to collaborate toward a shared goal, building a sense of camaraderie and collective achievement. Digital spiffs have become increasingly effective. Using online platforms for tracking, rewarding, and gamifying performance adds transparency and excitement. Leaderboards, badges, and instant payout systems make partners feel recognized in real time, rather than waiting weeks for results. To make spiffs truly effective, keep them simple, measurable, and achievable. Partners should immediately understand what's expected and how to win. Too many rules or unclear metrics will kill enthusiasm fast. Communication is everything. Launch your spiff with strong visuals, clear messaging, and regular updates throughout the campaign. Finally, celebrate success publicly. Highlight top-performing partners in newsletters, events, or your company's social media. Recognition turns short-term incentives into long-term loyalty. When partners feel valued, they don't just sell, they become advocates. Well-designed spiffs can transform average channel relationships into high-performance alliances. They ignite motivation, strengthen partnerships, and ultimately drive consistent growth. So if you're looking to boost channel sales, invest in spiffs that inspire action, reward excellence, and keep your partners fully engaged.